Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Digit on Android devices. Digit is fully compatible with Android, giving you full control over your automated savings directly from your phone. Let me show you how to do it. So first, download the Digit app. Open the Google Play Store on your Android device. Search for Digit Save Money Automatically. Tap Install and wait for the app to download and install. Once it's done, open Digit and sign in or sign up. Launch the Digit app, and if you're new, you can tap sign up and follow the steps to create your account. For returning users, you can simply enter your login credentials and tap sign in. Step 3, link your bank account. Digit uses a secure service like Plaid to connect with your bank. Select your bank, enter your login information, and confirm the connection. Set up savings goals. You can tap the plus icon to create goals like emergency funds or new laptops or whatever. Set a name, target amount, and optional deadlines. Explore the main dashboard. Here you can view all your savings goals in one place. You can also check your save to spend balance as well as track recent transfers and overall progress. Adjust settings. Use the menu to change notification preferences, savings behaviors, or linked accounts. Enable biometrics login for added security if it's supported on your device. Tips for Android users: you can use widgets. So add a Digit widget to your home screen for quick balance checks. You can also use push notifications to stay updated with real-time alerts on transfers and goals. There's also dark mode. So Digit supports Android system-wide dark mode for better readability at night. Managing your money with Digit on Android is efficient, flexible, and designed for your lifestyle. And that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and ring that notification bell so you never miss another update in the future. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.